Lesson Knowing Our Numbers, Part 3, Estimating and Rounding Off Numbers. Let us consider some of these daily life situations where we deal with numbers differently. In the rally, there are nearly 10,000 people. The school bag costs Rs 900. Approximately 500 guests are expected at the exhibition. It roughly takes an hour to trek that mountain. These words, nearly, approximately, around, roughly, do not tell us the exact value of the number in discussion. They only tell us that the value mentioned is closer to the actual value. This is called estimation or approximation. The approximation is useful in many situations in our daily life, such as how much salt needs to be added in cooking, how much time will it take to reach a place by car, etc. Approximation saves time. But as they are not the accurate values, considering approximation should be avoided in scientific experiments. In the statements given below, identify which of them needs the exact number and where the approximate value is enough. Write E for exact and A for approximate value. Situation 1. The time clocked by the competitors at 100 meters running race. Exact value. Number of visitors who attend a flower show. Approximate. Number of students who will write the final exam in your class. Of course, exact number. Number of people who lived in Stone Age. Well, we don't know. An approximate value. Amount of money you have to pay a shopkeeper when you buy things. Yes, we have to pay the exact amount. Estimation is a good way of checking answers as it helps us save time. Numbers can be approximated to any place such as tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Let us see some examples. To begin with, we shall see how to round off a number to its nearest tens. Round off the numbers 72 and 77 to its nearest 10. You can notice that 72 is closer to 70, hence it is rounded off to previous nearest tens, and the number 77 is closer to 80, hence it is rounded off to 80. Observe the number 75. It is the center of the range. It is the middle number and it is equidistant from 70 and 80. However, by convention, it is rounded off to 80. Rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds. Round off 720 and 770 to its nearest hundreds. In this example, you notice that 720 is closer to 700 and hence it is rounded off to the nearest hundred, which is 700. And the number 770 is closer to 800, hence it is rounded off to 800. Observe the number 750. It is the center of the range. It is a middle number and equidistant from 700 and 800. However, by convention, it is rounded off to 800. Rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. Round off 4,300 and 4,800 to its nearest thousands. In the above example, you notice that 4,300 is closer to 4,000, hence it is rounded off to 4,000. And the number 4,800 is closer to 5,000, so it is rounded off to 5,000. Observe the number 1,500. This is the center of the range. It is the middle number and equidistant from 1,000 and 2,000. However, by convention, it is rounded off to 2,000. Let us try some more questions. Round off 36,152 to the nearest hundreds. In this example, note the digit in hundreds place and the number in ones period. The number 152 is in between 100 and 200. Hence, it is rounded off to 200. The new number is 36,200. Round off 4,409 to the nearest tens. In the given number, the last two digits 09 is closest to the tens. So it is rounded off to tens and the new number is 4,410. Example 3. Round off 70,124 to the nearest thousands. Observe that in this number, the thousands place has 0. and the remaining, that is 124, is less than 1000. Hence the new number rounded off to nearest thousands is 70,000.